Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are coming with one more practice set problem regarding RRB, ALP and technician. So in today's video we'll discuss one of the subtopic that is reasoning section problems which were as a practice set of problem. I hope your preparation is going well and meanwhile try to go through these questions. It will get an idea how to solve the questions. And this was the first question. What do you given the question is which of the following numbers will replace the question mark in the given series? So I gave a series and that we need to find the answers present for here. So what I gave in the series is 91 comma 111 comma 113 comma 133 comma question mark 183 comma 211. So it is a series kind of question. What we need to find the gap present between these. So what is the gap present here means? So the gap is here 20 and here the gap is 22. And here the gap suppose it is like 20 22 24 20 that is so let us assume it will be like that only. So if we assume here 24, here 26 has to be present and here it must be 28. Whether the difference present here 20 what 211 and 183 is 28 or not, let us try to check. The 11 minus 3 is of 8, so the difference present here is so the assumed logic we assume the logic we as correct only. So 133 plus 24 that will be equals to how much means 157. So the answer for this particular problem will be 157, which is present in the first the last fourth option. I hope you are clear with this problem. Let us go for the next problem. This will be the next problem. So what you given the question is this comes under a syllogisms topic. So what you given the question is all valleys are mountains. So all valleys are mountains. Next, no sea is a mountain. No sea is a mountain. Next, some plains are seas. Some plains are seas. So what is given the first conclusion? Some valleys are plains. So valleys are present here and plains are present here. So there is no relation between valleys and plains. So the first conclusion is wrong here. Next, no plain is a mountain. So we need to check the no relation between plain and mountain. But here the no relation is present only for mountain and seas here. So the second conclusion is also the wrong. Why? Because there is no relation between. Without knowing the relation, how can I say there is a no relation is present in between plain and mountain? So the second conclusion is also the wrong. Next, no sea is a valley. So seas is present here and valley is present inside the mountain. And the statement is clearly mentioning that no sea is a mountain. No sea is a mountain and the mountain is and the valley is present inside the mountain, which means no sea is a valley is will be exactly the correct one. Why? Because it is present inside the mountain. So if no relation will be applicable for mountain means it is also applicable for valleys only. Valleys also. So the conclusion 3 will only follow in this problem. Let us go to the next question here. So this also comes under coding and decoding problem. So in every exam, you'll get questions from this topic. So practice or try to know the place values and positional values of and alphabets to get to solve the questions in an easy manner. So what is given the question is COUNTY. It's coded as what? ULCYGN. So I'm directly going the logic here. So what is given? What is done in the logic means so it divided the given word into two equal parts, and the first letter and last letter are reversed, and the middle letter we are taking it as opposite. So he applied the cross pattern and for the middle letter what I given is opposite place value has taken. Then if I apply the same logic to margin, so here R will come here and M will come here and the opposite value to A will be of Z. So R Z M has to be present in the first one. So it is not present here. So it is present only in the one option, that is option 4 will be the answer. And also get so N will come here, G will come here and I opposite place value will be R. So which satisfies the fourth option here. Let us go for the next question. Okay, this will be the next question comes under seating arrangement of a question. What is given the question is there are 6 students Meera, Jignasa, Tarun, Naina, Shambhavi and Avni are sitting around a circle table facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. So in order to solve this seating arrangement of type of problems, so first try to write the given conditions here in a short form here. So if we write like that, then it is easy for us to solve the given arrangement here. So what again, Shambhavi is an immediate neighbor of both Jignasa and Avni. So suppose if Jignasa was present here, in between that Shambhavi has to present and then Avni. So this is one possibility. Avni will come here and Shambhavi will come here, Jignasa will come. So this is the first condition. And let us go for the second condition. Tarun is sitting third to the left of Jignasa. Suppose if the Jignasa was present here, to his left, first left, second left, and third left, here Tarun has to be present here. That was the second condition. And what is the third condition? Meera is sitting second to the right of Avni. Suppose if Avni was present here, to our second right, first right and second right, who is present here? Meera is present here. So these are the given conditions for us. So now what you ask in the question? Who is sitting to the right of Meena? So we need to find who is sitting to the third right of Meena. So let us try to arrange this condition here. So how many students? Six students. One, two, three, four, five, six. When even number of persons given in the question, one person must be opposite to the other person. When even number of remember this point. When even number of persons given in the question, one person must be opposite to the other person. So I may start with any of the statements given pressure, but while arranging like that, we need to find the link between one statement to another statement. Suppose if I take Jignasa here, so to the left of Jignasa, who is present? Tarun is present. So third left, first left, second left, and third left. Here Tarun is present here. Next, suppose if I take this condition here, this first condition or second condition. Suppose if I take A is here. Suppose if I take S here and A has to be come here. And so now I am considering this point. So let us hold this point here. Suppose if this is only valid, then I'll simply ignore this one. Suppose if this is not valid, then I'll consider this one. After that, I'll go with the third statement. I'm just checking the possibility present here. So in so to the right of Avni, Meera has to be present. Suppose if Avni was present here, to the second right, first right and second right, here Meera is present here. So we will be left here. So among the five persons, so here Naina is left here. So I'm thinking this will be the possibility. Suppose if I consider one more possibility here, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Suppose if I take Jignasa here, Tarun will come here. First left, second left, and third left. Suppose if I take A here and S will come here and A will come here, and I need to check whether this condition is satisfied or not here. So what you given the question to the right of Avni, so can write Meera has to be present here. Suppose to the right of Avni, Meera has to be present, but here already J is present. So this condition is not valid. So which means I has to consider only this point, not this point here. So I need to check the possibility present here, whether if possibility will correct, we need to go with that approach only. So what he asked in the question, who is sitting to the third right of Meera? So here Meera is present here. First right and second right and third right. So in the third right will be present here means Shambhavi is present in the third right. I hope you are clear with this point here. Seating arrangement is all about to get with the possibilities here, and we need to get the minimum possibility in order to get the answer and within less time here. Let us go for the next question here. So this will be the next question. What is this question under directions topic? So what is given the question is Silpa goes to park every day for walking. One morning she started walking home. So what he gave from her home, she walked 40 kilometers and then take right and walk 60 kilometers and then take right and walk 40 kilometers and the last is she walked 30 kilometers and how far she is from her home. So we need to find, suppose Shilpa is started from her home. After that she take north and then right and then right and then left and in which direction he is and how far he is from home. So we need to find the distance, how much distance he has traveled. So in order to get this point, try to remember this point north, south, left to right, west, east, east and west, east and west, left and right, north, south, south, north. So this is nothing but just we are writing the whatever the points which are present for compass here, that we are arranging it in a table format here. Suppose from north to left, suppose if I go for from north to left, I'll get it as a west from west here. If I go from north to right, I'll get it as a east here. From south to left, if suppose from south to left, I'll get it as east here. From south to, so this will be the left and this will be the right and this will be the right and this will be the left. If you know this table, you can go with this one. So, but it is easy if you write like this in solving the exam. So from north to right. So from north to right, while we get so from north to 40 and then we'll get right here. So right means east to 60 here. From east to right. East to right means what? South 40. From south to left. From south to left means what? East to 9. East to 30. Suppose here north 40 and south 40 get cancelled. Suppose similar same things will get cancelled. Same or opposites will get cancelled. Opposites will get cancelled here. Same things will be added here. Opposites will be cancelled here and same things will be added here. So here opposites are of south 40 and north 40 will get cancelled and same things will be added. So here east 60 and east 30 will get added. So I'll get the answer as east 90 will be get the answer. So in this you will get the answer as only 90 kilometers only. Why? Because in the question he asked her only how far is from the her home. So she is 90 kilometers from her home. Suppose if in the question if he asked about what is the direction with respect to starting points, she is in the east direction with respect to the starting point. I hope you are clear with this point here. Instead of going this one with the diagrammatic approach, this will be the easiest way to get the answer within a fraction of seconds here. Let us go for the next question here. So this will next question under mathematical operations here. What is given the question is which two mathematical signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct. Suppose in order to solve this question, first try to focus which options contain division here, division operation here. So majority of the questions will be framed based on this division operation only. So first try to focus on the division operation present in the given options. So here division operation present in the first option and last option. So first try to focus on the first option here. So here plus and division has to be interchanged here. So let us check whether this equation will be satisfied. So 75. So in place of plus I need to replace division and in place of division I need to replace plus here. 15 into 27 into 1 minus 9 plus 7 into 135 divided by 3 minus 10 plus 189 divided by 63. I need to get the answer as a 434. Whether I'm getting that answer or not, I need to check here. So 75 5 is of 7 into 27 into 1 minus 9 in 9 9 plus 7 into 4. So 3 fours and 3 5. So 45 minus 10 plus 3. So 5 into 27. 5 into 27 is how much? 100 and plus 35, 135 minus 9 plus 7, 45. So 2, 7 fours is of 28. 28 plus 35. So that will be 3, 1, 5 minus 10 plus 3. So all first add the positives here and then subtract here. So 135, 315 and 3 that will be equals to 113. 5 and 453. 453 minus 19 that will be equals to 434. So my equation will be satisfied here for this answer. So I need to interchange the values here means plus and division. Suppose if this is not valid for me, then I will go for this option. After that we'll get the answer. So all you need to be good enough for practicing the problems and you know to know the basic rules in order to get the answer within fraction of seconds here. Let us go for the next question here. So this will be the next question. There is a Venn diagram concept here. So what I given the question is animals, cats, and dogs. So we need to know some basic terminology or basics regarding these general knowledge points in order to solve this question. So animals are a big group. In that animals, cats are belongs to one category and dogs are belongs to one category. So which is presented in the third option. I hope you are clear with this problem. Let us go for the next problem. This will be the next problem which comes under a dices topic. So in the dices topic, what you get in the question? Three different positions of the same dice are shown. Find the number on the face opposite to 5. So we need to find the value opposite to 5 here. Suppose if I observe these two dices here, how many elements are common here? So here 6 and 3 are common, here 6 and 3 common. So note point. So let us note this point here. When two elements are common, the element which was left in dice 1 and the element which was left in dice 2 both are opposite to each other. This is when means when two elements are common. So here two elements are common in both the dices. So the element which is left in dice 1 is 5 and the element which is left in dice 2 is 2. So these two are opposite to each other. So this is the thing we asked in the question only. So both 5 and 2 are opposite to each other. So the element which is opposite to 5 is 2 here. So this will be the answer. Let us go to the next problem here. So this will be the next question under dictionary order. So all you need to do is you need to know the basic dictionary points here. We are basic alphabets present here. So if you observe here, formal, foreign, forest, forgotten, forge, and forlorn. So if you observe here, in all the values of three are common here. Three are for is common here. After eliminating here, M is present here, and here E is present. Here also E is present. Here G is present. Here G is present. Here L is present. So among this, which one will come first means either this one or this one has to come here. So in order to choose whether this one or this one will come first, I need to choose the next letter also. So here the next letter is I, here the next letter is yes. So this one will come first and this one will come second. Among this one, which one has to become first here? So here G is present, here after G, O is present here, after G here E is present. So this one will come third and this one will come fourth, and after this one will come in the fifth and this one will come in the sixth position. So the order has to be present here is 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. So 2 come first and then 3 and then 5 and then 4 and then 6 and then 1. So this has to be present in the given options here. So 2, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 1. So which is present in the first option. So option 1 will be the correct. Likewise, you need to check the given alphabets present in the given question. Let us go to the next question here. So this will be the next question, which also comes from the mathematical operations only. So he gave some symbols denote some specific operation here. So here 13, here B indicates plus multiplication, 7. Here A indicates what? A indicates plus 64. Here D indicates division divided by 4. And here C indicates what? C indicates minus 23. So we need to simplify this equation and to get the answer. So 13 7. So 13 7 is of 91 plus 64 divided by 4, that will be 16 minus 23. That will, if I solve this equation, how much I'll get means 107 minus 23, I'll get as 484. So my answer will be of 84, which is presented in option 2. Let us go for the next question here. So this was the next question which comes under a series topic only. So in this problem, in order to solve this problem, what you need to first find number of unique letters present in the equation. So how many unique letters are present? So A, D, F, K, L. So how many letters are present means 5 unique letters are present. So there may be a chance that the pattern is repeated with 5 unique letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the 15 letters are present. Suppose here A was present, here also A was present. So it must be here also A has to be present here. So here F was present, here also F was present. So here also must F come here. So here after here D present. So here also there may be a chance that D present. Here also D must present. The second place K is present here. So here K is present. Here also K is present. In the third position L was present. So here L was present. Here L was present. So the logic the values to be replaced here is KL, AL, D, K, T, F. So KL, AL. So I need to check KL, AL, DK, DF. So which is present in the third option. Likewise, you need to check the given options present here. This is the easiest question. All you need to do is you need to count the number of unique letters. After that, try to replace the values or try to find the values which is satisfy the given equation present here. Let us go to the next question here. So this will be the next question under directions topic only. Town Q is to the north of town P. Suppose if I take town P here, so to the north here means so north means this direction. So the north here Q is present. Town R is to the west of town Q. So to the west means like in this direction. So here R is present. Next, town S is to the north of town R. So to the north of R, which is present, S is present here. Town T is to the east of S. So to the east is present here. T is present here. What is asking the question? What is the position of T with respect to town R? So we need to specify the answer with respect to R here. So T is present here. So this is north here and this is east here. So it is present in northeast direction. So town T is present in the northeast direction of R. So I hope you are clear with this point. Let us go to the next question here. So here is the next question which is also from the number series topic. 18, 27, 31, 43, 44, 59 and 57 and question mark. We observe the pattern here. Up to this point it is increasing only, but here it is in decreasing pattern. So if pattern is decreasing and increasing like this means you also need to think in a different way. That is, you need to think that there may be a chance that the pattern is like an alternating pattern. So 18 plus 31 is how much? 18 plus 13 how much is of plus 13. So 31 plus 44 is also plus 13 and 44 plus 57 is also plus 13. Suppose if there is one more question mark, also it is has to be like a plus 13, which means 57 plus 13, that will be equals to how much, means 70 has to be present. Suppose if two question marks are given at the end. Next, let us check the 27 plus 43, how much, means plus 16. 43 plus 15 is also plus 16. So we need to find 59 plus 16. 59 plus 16 is how much, means 75. So my answer will be 75, which is present in the last option, that is the fourth one. I hope we are clear with this one. This is we call it as alternating series pattern. So for one number, one logic is present. For some other numbers, another logic is present. Sometimes both are of same numbers, or different numbers also present here. Let us move to the next question here. So this will be the next question. So in order to solve this type of questions, let us try to write the place values here. So 2, 4, 6. So the next must be 8 here. So in all the values, so here G place value is 7. So my answer may be either, except the second one, my answer will present. Next, H8, G7, F6. So it is like decreasing on. So here must be what has to present, 5 has to be present. So 5 means E has to be present. So here all this also eliminated. Next, 5, 8, K11. Suppose we are here HEN, here HEN. So only the difference here will be X plus. I don't need to check the third place also. I directly check the fourth place value. So here R will be of 18, T will be of 20, and V will be of 22, and the next must value will be 24. So 24 place value will be X. So X will. So my answer will be directly option 4. Let us go to the next question here. So this will be the next question under analogy question. So what is given the question? None usually lives in the convent. Similarly, king lives at where, means king usually lives at a palace here. So one person is given and the place of living of that person is given in this question. So in order to solve this question also, you need to be good at some general knowledge questions here. Let us go to the next question here. So this will be the also next question. This type of question we already discussed in the previous only. So here AUT, here AUT, here also AU2, here also. Okay. Only AU is common here. AU is common here. All the three. So let us eliminate all the letters here. So here is T present, here is T is present, here is T is present, here S present, here E is, here R is present. So among this, which one will come first, means this one will come first, and after R, S will come here, and we need to choose. Suppose in our options, 4, 5, and 4 has to be come first. 5 and 4 has to be come. So 5 and 4 has to come only in the first one option only, that is option 3. So my answer will be directly. I don't need to fix these values only. So with the elimination of first and second only, I am getting the answer here. So my answer will be option 3 only directly. Let us go to the next question. What is given the question? This is also seating arrangement of question. So what is given the question is the question again here. So there are 7 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the first condition, in between B and C, D is present. Second condition. So to the third right, first right, second right, and third right, A is present. And the third condition, in between A and F, E is present here. And the fourth condition, to the left of C, G is present here. And the last condition is B is sitting to the third right, first right, second right, and third right. Here B is present here. So let us try to arrange the. Suppose if I take G here, first right, second right, and third right, here B is present. Then the question to the left of, so here C is present here. After arranging C here, so this guy will take this condition here. So definitely D will come here. Next, after that I need to place A here, first right and second right and third right. Here A will come here, and after that here E will come and here F will come here. So this was the arrangement for me. So what he gave in the question, what is the position of J? So we need to say the position of G with respect to A. With respect to A, we need to count it from the right side. When we count from the right side, first right, second right, and third right. So the third right is present in the answer. So the answer will be option 1. I hope you are clear with this point. Let us move to the next question here. 4 letter clusters are given out of it. So this is like odd man out or classification. So here let us try to write the positional values here. K11, N14, J10, Z26, F6, I9, E5, U21, M13, J10, L12, O15, S19, V22, R18, H8. So plus 3 minus 4 plus 16 plus 3 minus 4 plus 16. Here minus 3, okay, plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So this is also following the same pattern, plus 3 minus 4 plus 16. So the different one is here is option 3. Let us move to the next question here. So this is also next question which is comes under odd man out only. So for this also try to write the positional values here. 13, 18, 22, 25, 7, 12, 16, 19, 14, 19, 23, 26, 27, Q 17 and J 10. So if you observe here, all are increasing only, but here in decreasing pattern here. So this will be the different one here. Option 4 will be the correct answer for this one. That is a different one in this one. So let us go with the next question here. So which two numbers should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? So we need to interchange the two numbers among the given equation in order to get the correct answer. So I'm directly going with the option. Suppose if I interchange 24 and 18, I'll get the correct answer here. 18 into 2 minus 18 plus 10 into 160 divided by 16 plus. So I need to interchange. Here 24 has to be present here. Here 18 has to be present here. Plus to 4. So 24 into 2 is a 48. 18 plus 10 into 10 plus 40. 48 minus 18 plus 100 and plus 40. So here I'm getting as 30 plus 100 plus 40. So I'll get it as 170 will be my answer. So it is satisfying. This third option will be satisfied here. Let us go to the next question. So this was the next question which will mirror images topic. So if you observe here, a triangle will be present here. So in the mirror, it has to be looking like this. So in which option it is present like this, is not like this, is not like this, is not. So the only option is satisfying. First option will be the correct one. Let us move to the next question. So this will have the next question under mathematical operations. 255 here n indicates division divided by 5. O indicates multiplication. 4 P indicates plus. 16 O indicates multiplication and 3 n indicates minus 29. So I need to solve this equation. So 25 5s and 25, okay, 5 ones into 4 plus 16 3s is of how much means 48 minus 29. So it will be 204 plus 48 minus 29. So 48 minus 29 is how much means 17. Or so by cancel 48 minus 29, here it will be 9 and 19. So if I add 19 here, it will be like 13, 2 and 2. So it will be 223. 223 will be the answer. Let us move to the next question here. So here PRO5 is related as OSQ15 in a certain same way OPO10 is related as NQQ30. So similarly MAC13, MAC9K. So if you observe here, third letter only. So 5 is multiplied with 3 will get as 15 here. Similarly 10 is multiplied with 3 here will get as 30 here. In a similar manner 9 is multiplied with 3 I need to get as 20 and 7. So here 27 is only present in one option. So directly my answer will be option 4 only without solving anything here. Let us move to the next question. So this will be the next question under blood relations topic. What I gave in the question, I need to satisfy this condition here. Then I need to say whether R is related to what. A dollar C. A dollar indicates what? A dollar indicates mother here. So A is the mother of C, and at the rate indicates what here? Here at the rate indicates husband. So C is the husband. C is the husband of R. C is the husband of R. Then what he asks in the question? Then what is the then how is R related to A? Then how is R related to A means? So he will be the son's wife. So she will be the son's wife. That is presented in option 3. Let's move to the next question. This will be the next question. So this is also very easiest question. So in oil there are 3 letters present. 3 cube is 27. In cream there are of 5 letters. So 5 cube is of 125. Similarly in the powder there are 6 letters. 6 cube will be 216, which is presented in option 2. So these are the questions which comes under RRB, ALP and technician level of exam. It is one of the practice level question. I hope you are understood all the questions present in this topic. Let us come with the one more topic in the next video. Have a good day. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.